After getting humbled by Suvendu Adhikari in Nandigram, Mamta Banerjee has been a political orphan, that is, without an assembly seat. Her CM chair is in danger as the constitution mandates a resignation if she doesn't get elected within a period of 6 months. Troubled, angry, and worried about her immediate future, Mamta has started flinging hurls and abuses at the Election Commission of India. The TMC Supremo has decided to send a delegation to persuade the Election Commission to conduct the bypolls. While the Election Commission looks in no mood to conduct the election, it looks a possibility that Mamta could be stripped of her CM chair. Hi and welcome. You are watching TFI English, the national and socio-political analysis arm of the TFI Media Group. I am your host Sohil, and in this video I will tell you how Mamta is now pleading before the Election Commission to conduct the bypolls. Let's begin. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee is without any seat since the announcement of the assembly election results on May 2nd. Agitated at the prospect of losing her CM chair, Mamta has opened a campaign against the Election Commission of India. Reportedly, Mamta will be sending a TMC delegation today to meet Election Commission officials and demand the announcement of bypolls and pending elections to 7 assembly seats of the state. TMC Chief Whip in the Rajya Sabha, Sukhendu Shekhar Ray said, "We will be meeting EC officials in Delhi with the demand to hold pending elections and by-elections to 7 assembly segments. The assembly elections were held in 8 phases when COVID was at an all-time high, but now the COVID situation has improved a lot." Reported by TFI previously, to stay Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee has to contest bypolls within 6 months and become a member of the State Legislative Assembly. Article 164 of the Constitution says a minister who is not an MLA within 6 months has to resign. Shobhan Dev Chattopadhyay, the TMC MLA who won from Bhawanipur, has already resigned from the Bengal Assembly, paving the path for Mamta to contest the election. While conducting the election is not a simple errand that can be done at a whim, the constitutional body needs time and resources to plan the grueling process. However, Mamta, true to her arrogant self, has started cussing the Election Commission that it is playing at the hands of the central government. During the recent West Bengal Assembly session, Mamta said, "Had the EC not helped BJP, it would not have crossed even 30 seats. I can say that." It is Mamta's desperation that she has started scheming plans to pilot a backdoor entry into the state. In case she loses the election, the West Bengal government has moved a bill for the formation of a legislative council in the state, which, like the Rajya Sabha and other legislative councils in states like UP, Maharashtra, Bihar, will have nominated members. At a time when the states like Andhra Pradesh are planning to scrap legislative councils in order to curb public expenditure, Mamta Banerjee has proposed to have a new one in order to ensure that she and her lackeys get nominated. Mamta understands that the decision to parachute back to her traditional seat could backfire. In her pursuit to stop Suvendu Adhikari, she had casually ditched her constituency voters and never once turned to them to try and reason the decision to pacify them. The step-brotherly treatment meted will surely play on the minds of the voters, and the opposition will milk it as an opportunity to corner the TMC Queen Bee. If Mamta loses in Bhawanipur, it could be the perfect microcosm example of the just concluded assembly elections. While a defeat will mean a complete loss of face for Mamta, her battle at the moment is against the Election Commission as the clock continues to tick against her.